Hello engineer, good day. Welcome back to my channel RH Engineering. And for today's video, I will be showing to you the result of the overhanging and the cantilever beam. What is the difference between the two? Okay. Nag-set up ako ng model dito sa ETABS. Yung sa taas natin is overhanging. As you can see, one element siya. And the same properties sa beam, which is cantilever support. Just nasa end lang. Okay? Yung overhanging naman natin may dalawang support, which is pin support sa one end and yung kakaparehas na location nung sa cantilever support. And nag-apply ako ng SDL. Ayun, 10 kN per meter. Then, same properties siya. Ito, walang release. Okay. Ayan. Then, after sa analyze natin, pagkatapos ko i-analyze yan, makikita natin dito yung, ipakita natin yung displacement. Pwede natin i-check yung dead load lang, ibig sabihin yung self-weight ng beam. Kapag ipakita natin yan, as you can see here, then i-hover natin yung cursor dun sa end. Makikita ninyo is negative 0.007. Then, i-check natin dito sa cantilever is the same. Okay. Then, how about for the superimposed dead load? Check din natin is negative 0.05 and the cantilever beam is negative 0.05 din. So, approximately correct or based dito sa result, equal sila. Then, we need to check the moment and shear of these two beams. As you can see here, ang moment natin sa free end is 1.67 kN per meter and also the same sa cantilever part. How about for the maximum moment, negative moment at the support? As you can see here, negative 3.33 also in the overhanging and in the cantilever. So, same sila. So, ito yung sinasabi ko na yung assumption sa free end is the same with the cantilever because you need to counter the negative moment. I don't know sa theoretical formula kung magkaiba sila, but you need to check it. Whichever the maximum result from the two beams, yun ay consider natin. Okay? But for our comparison, pareha sila. Pareha sila negative result. So, i-right click natin, i-try natin i-show yung yung free end. Kapag i-right click natin yan, makikita natin dito yung reaction. Negative, ito yung positive 10. Positive 10 reaction. Okay. And ito yung moment diagram natin. Okay, sa SDL lang. Hindi considering sa dead load. Pwede natin yun i-consider, plus lang natin, dead load plus SDL. So, this is the diagram of the moment sa free end. Okay? So, mayroon pa rin dun sa sa free end, makikita natin, may moment pa rin dun. Kasi free end siya. Okay? I-try natin mamaya i-release kung magkakaroon pa siya ng moment. Okay? Ito naman, same dito as cantilever. Okay? So, i-release natin. Okay. I-release natin to. Both ends. Okay? Then, ito naman, i-release natin yung sa dito lang sa end. Okay. Check natin kung parehas, kung magkakaroon pa rin siya ng moment dun sa cantilever. negative 0.05, DL natin, and same, negative 0.015. Then check natin yung moment. So same din siya. Tapos negative 5 yung moment natin at support, as you can see here. Pares pa rin, pero nawala na yung ano natin dito. Yung moment at the end of this beam. It's supposed to be kapag precast kayo. Pero kung cast in place o CIP, so no need to release that one kasi CIP kayo. So ito pang ano to, pang precast. So as you can see, ito yung magiging ano ng precast ninyo. So sasabihin ninyo, paano naman magkakaroon ng moment dun sa support? Paano niyo i-introduce? Kasi ngayong precast, simply supported. So ang ginagawa namin dyan, yung negative moment, yung bars na yan, top bars, nilalagay namin on site. So nagiging composite siya. Dinidesign namin yung beam as composite part. So precast yung nasa ilalim para mag-carry ng bottom bars. Din sa site, kapag mag-fill na ng concrete o mag-casting na ng screed, doon namin ipapasok yung negative rebar para maging composite siya. Then, masatisfy yung requirement dito. Okay? Then, for the ito naman, same pa rin, kung makikita ninyo, pero nawala yung ano natin, end moment kasi nga na-release natin. So, supposed to be, ito yung pinaka magiging actual or theoretically correct. Kasi supposed to be, wala siyang moment at the end. Zero siya dapat. Okay. So, yan. Pero anyway, ang point ngayon dito, what is the moment and deflection? At the support, what is the moment and deflection at the end? So, meaning it's the same. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. And you can comment here if you have queries or questions about sa mga videos natin. Yun lang. Thank you. Huwag kalimutan ninyo mag-follow and mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel natin. God bless. Bye-bye.